So friends, today I am going to unbox my new action camera that I have recently ordered from Amazon, and I have also ordered a memory card and a tempered glass for my action camera. So let's start unboxing. So friends, watch my video till the end so you don't miss anything. So friends, this is the DJI Osmo Action, and it's a very good action camera. So let's start unboxing this. So friends, this is the action camera. It comes with a protective case inside the box, so you don't have to buy an extra protective case. So friends, these are the accessories inside the box, and these two are mounts, and this is the charging cable, and this is the battery for the action camera. There is a screw inside, and this is a C-type charging cable. There is some manuals in the box. And this is the warranty card. So friends, now I am going to install the tempered glass for my action camera. So these are the things that we get in this kit. So friends, this is the Dispo swab. It's basically an alcohol content. First we have to wipe the screen from this swab. I am installing the tempered glass for the lens. So clean this gently. After that, take the dry swab and clean this gently. After cleaning the lens, see whether there are some dust particles or not. We get this sticker for removing the micro particles that remain after cleaning. So take this sticker and just paste and remove all dust particles. After applying the sticker, this lens is totally cleaned. We get a suction cup in this kit so that we can place the tempered glass properly. So take the suction cup and put it on the tempered glass. You have to be gentle when you are using this suction cup, otherwise the tempered glass may break. Remove the coating and place the tempered glass properly on the lens. Remove the suction cup gently. And wipe with the cloth to remove the air bubbles that left in the tempered glass. We have to repeat the same process for both front screen and the back screen. Don't use the same swab for the 3 screens. They have provided separate swab. So friends, the tempered glass are installed and I have put the memory card inside and I have charged the battery fully. It is a beautiful camera. The design is very awesome. So let's open the outer case. It is a rubber coated outside. So this is the power button and this is the recording button and this is the mode button, and here is a slot for memory card and C-type charging. This is the battery at the bottom. And this is the inbuilt mic for the action camera. The camera have a premium look. So friends, let's turn on the camera. This is the back display. If we swipe down, we can get some shortcuts, and these are the custom settings for video recording. This setting is for the brightness, and this is the screen lock. We have to swipe up to unlock the screen. This is the main settings for the camera. If we scroll down, we can see all the settings here. This is for screen rotation, and we have other 3 voice control recordings and other photo settings. If we swipe towards the right, we can see the ISO and shutter speed. If we swipe down, we can see the resolution settings, and at the bottom we can see the FPS, that is frame per second, and we get to see rock steady mode here. If we press the mode button and hold, we can see the front display. So this is the protective case. It is made up of good material and it has all the 3 buttons as well as the light. So friends, if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest video notification. I will give you the detailed review of this camera in the upcoming videos. Also share this video with your friends, and see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye friends.